Hello students, welcome back to your mathematics classes, and this is your maths teacher Akanksha Rikari. As we have already started chapter 16, surface area and the volume of solids. Now this is the second part of the same chapter, so let's continue. Before starting, subscribe my channel if not subscribed yet, and like and share the video. Now let's start. This is the last part of your 16th chapter, that is surface area and the volume of solid. Formula we have already done of the cuboid, cube and cylinder. So let's take a recap. Lateral surface area of cuboid is 2 multiply h multiply L plus B. Total surface area is 2 multiply within a bracket LB plus BH plus HL. And volume is L multiply B multiply H. And diagonal of cuboid is under root L square plus B square plus H square. Now, to cube. So first of all, lateral surface area of cube is 4a square, where a is your one of the edge of cube. Now total surface area is 6a square, and volume is a multiply a, that is a cube, because all the edges are same in the cube. Diagonal of cube is under root 3a. Cylinder. Curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi RH, that we have already done. Total surface area is 2 pi RH plus 2 pi R square, and we can write this as 2 pi R within a bracket H plus R. Volume is pi R square H. Now, question number 7. A wall of 12 meter long and 36 meter high and 30 centimeter thick is to be constructed using the bricks of dimension 25 centimeter by 15 centimeter by 12 centimeter. How many bricks will be required? So first of all, we are writing whatever things are given. If I will talk about wall, so in that case, your length, we are considering L1 is 12 meter given. H1 is given, means height is given 36 meter, and B1 is given, that is 30 centimeter. Now we are considering the bricks. In case of bricks, length and breadth and height all given. So length we are taking L2, that is 25 centimeter. Breadth we are taking B2, that is 15 centimeter given, and height we are taking H2, that is given 12 centimeter. Now, four things are in centimeter and two are in meter. So we are converting it as well in centimeter. 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. So we got 1200 centimeter as a length of your wall, and height is 3600 centimeter. Now let's solve. We want the number of bricks. So number of bricks is equals to the volume of the wall which we are preparing. So volume of wall divide by the volume of one brick. Volume of one brick. So now put the value. Volume formula of wall. Wall is of cuboidal shape. So it means L1 multiply B1 multiply H1. Similarly, volume of brick, if I will talk about, so it is also cuboidal shape. So L2 multiply B2 multiply H2. Now put the value. L1 is your 1200, so we are writing 1200. B1 is your 30, so we are writing 30. Then H1 is your 3600, so we have written 3600. Now L2, B2 and H2 we have to write, that is 25 multiply 15 multiply 12. So if we will cancel this 12 with this 1200, so we are left with 100. 25 we can cancel with 100, that is 4. Now 15 and 30 we can cancel, that is 2. So now solve, that is 4 2s are 8. 8 multiply 3600. So you will get 28800. This is no unit because it's a number of bricks. Now come to next. Question number 8. A closed box is cuboidal in shape with dimension 50 centimeter by 30 centimeter by 45 centimeter. It is made up of thin metal sheet. Find the cost of metal sheet requires to make 25 such boxes. If 1 square meter of sheet is cost rupees 75. So it's a cuboidal shape. First thing, length is given 50, breadth is given 30, and height is given 45. It is made up of thin sheet. It means it's surface area we are talking about. And as this is a box, so TSA it is having. So let's solve TSA of cuboid. TSA of cuboid here we are having. So cuboid equals to, formula you know, 2 multiply LB plus BH plus HL. Now put the value 2 as it is. L is your 50, B is your 30 plus B your 30 and H is your 45 plus H is your 45 and L is your 50. Now solve all these. That is 2 as it is. If you will solve this, so you will get 1500. If you will solve this, you will get 1350. And if you will solve the last, you will get 2250. Now solve this. 2 as it is. If you will add all these, so you will get 5100. Now 2 multiply 5100, that is 100. Now 10200 is the TSA of one cuboidal box, that is centimeter square. Now next one is we want to find for 25. So TSA of 25 such boxes is equals to the area of 1 multiply 25. So area of 1 is 10200 multiply your 25. Now it's not sufficient. We have to find the cost as well. So cost is equals to the area, that is 10200 multiply 25 multiply the rate. Rate is your 75, but not for 1 centimeter square. It is for 1 meter square. So 1 meter square, if we will convert into 1 centimeter square, so that will be 100 multiply 100. So it's in divide. Now solve this. 2 zeros cancelled with 2 zeros. Now this 25 we cancelled with this 100, so we are left with 4. And let's check, it is cancelled by 2, so 2 here we are having, and here 2 5s are 10 and 2 1s are 2. If you will solve this, so you will get 51 multiply 75 divide by 75 divide by 2. Now solve 51 multiply 75 is 3825 divide by 2. Now solve this. So you will get 1912.5. That is in rupees because this is a cost. Now come to the next question. Next question, question number 10. A room 9 meter by 7 meter by 5 meter has one door 2 meter by 1.75 meter and two windows each 1 meter by 0.75 meter. First of all, find the area of walls excluding the door and windows. It means we have to find the area of walls, then we will subtract the area of door and the area of window. So let's start with area of room or walls. So only walls in rooms. In room actually. So length is given, that is 9 meter. Breadth is given, your 7 meter. And your height is given, that is 5 meter. Here it's talking about only wall, so we are going to apply the LSA of cuboid. So LSA of cuboid we all know, that is 2 multiply H multiply L plus B. Now solve this. So we got 2 as it is, H we are having 5, L means 9 and B is 7. Solve this. 5 2s are 10 and 9 plus 7 is 16. So we are having 10 multiply 16, that is 160 meter square. This is the room. Now come to the door. The door is actually in a shape of rectangle. So if I will talk about the area of door, that is equals to L multiply B. L in case of door is, that is given 2 meter and B is given 1.75. If you will solve these two, so you will get 3.5. 3.5, that is in meters, so this is meter square. Now let's work on windows. So first window, only one window first we will calculating. So area, in this case also the same, L into B, because that is also in shape of rectangle, and this is given 1 multiply 0.75. So 0.75 multiply 1 is 0.75 only, and this is only for the one. But if I want to find area of two windows, so that will be this multiply 2. So let's solve. 2 multiply 0.75. So 2 multiply 0.75 is 1.5. So it means 1.5 meter square is the area of two windows. Now required area, or we can say the area of walls excluding the door and window. So that will be area of wall minus area of wall minus area of door plus area of window. Door plus window. So let's solve this. So here we are having area of wall is 160 minus within a bracket 3.5 plus 1.5. So if you will solve this too, so 160 minus, that is nothing but 5. So we are having 155, the area of walls excluding the door and windows, and it is in meters square. Now come to next question. Part 2, cost of distempering its wall at rate 8.4 per square meter. So wall it is saying, so obviously it is asking for the area of wall excluding. So area of wall we have already calculated, that is 155 meters square. So cost is equals to area multiply the rate. So area we are having and rate is already given, that is 8.4. Let's solve this. 155 as it is multiply 8.4. So if you will solve it, so you will get your answer, that is 1302 rupees. Now next part, it is asking for the cost of painting the ceiling at a rate of 19 per square meter. So if I will talk about the ceiling, so area of ceiling is equals to the area of rectangle. The reason is ceiling is like a rectangle, rectangular shape. So the formula of area of ceiling is L multiply B. L we are having 9, B we are having 7. So 9 sevens are, that is 63 meter square. Now again it is asking for the cost. So cost is equals to the area multiply the rate. Rate here is given 19. So area is 63 and rate is 19. So our answer is 1197 rupees. Now come to the next question. So question number 13 is saying that there are three small cubes which having dimensions 21, 35 and x are melted and transformed into a new cube that is having edge 42 centimeter. So whenever something is melted, obviously entire thing, whatever capacity it is having, everything is melted. So it is talking that volume, it's talking about the volume of the cubes. So volume of small cubes, cube 1, cube 2 and cube 3. So the total volume transformed it into the new volume. So volume of cube of 1 plus 2 plus 3, that is equals to the volume of new cube. Now solve it. Volume of new cube. So formula of the volume of cube is a cube. So we can say first cube is having edge a1. So a1 cube plus a2 cube, that is having second cube having a2 as edge, and a3 is the third cube edge. So a3 cube. And we are considering that edge of new is an, that is an cube. Now put the value. A1 is 21, so that is 21 cube. Now a2 is 35, so that is 35 cube, plus a3 we are having x, so that is x cube, plus an is 42, so 42 cube. Now put the value. 21 cube is nothing but 9261, and your 35 cube is 42875, and x cube as it is. Then your 42 cube is 74088. Now add these two, so you will get 52136. So 52136 plus x cube as it is, and your 42 cube 74088 as it is. Now shift this other side in minus, so x cube is equals to 74088 minus 52136. Now x cube, and after subtracting we are getting 21952, that is nothing but cube of 28. It means the edge of third cube is 28 centimeter. Now question number 14, it is saying that there is a rectangular paper and it is folded in a form of cylinder, and we are folding it along the length. It means the length is becoming the circumference of the cylinder. So circumference of cylinder we got, that is length, and the value of length is 44 centimeter. Now our height is now, because of that, breadth of the rectangle. So breadth of rectangle is 18 centimeter. Now put the value. For volume of cylinder we need radius as well. So using this circumference we are going to find the radius. Circumference formula is 2 pi r, and circumference value is given, that is 44. Now r as it is, because we want to find, so 44 divide by 2 pi, and if we will write the value of pi, so we got 44 divide by 2 multiply 22, and 7 will be in numerator. Now solve this. 22 and 44 we can cancel by 2, so 2 and 2 also cancel, so we got r is 7 centimeter. Now we are having r, we are having h. Apply the formula, that volume of cylinder. Volume of cylinder is pi r square h. Now put the value. Pi is your 22 by 7, so as it is. R is, we are having 7, so 7 multiply 7. H we are having 18. 7 and 7 cancelled, so we are having 22 multiply 7, that is 154 multiply 18. If we will multiply 154 and 18, so we will get 2772, and this is a volume, so that is centimeter cube. Now the last question of this video, that is the ratio of between curved surface area and the total surface area of a closed cylinder is 2:3. Find the ratio between the height and a radius of the cylinder. So whatever is given we are going to write. It is saying the ratio of curved surface area and the TSA. So we can say CSA by TSA is given, that is 2:3. So CSA by TSA, that is 2 by 3. Now put the formula. CSA is your nothing but 2 pi RH, and TSA is your 2 pi R plus H, and that is equals to 2:3, 2 by 3. 2 pi R cancel with 2 pi R, it means we are left with H by R plus H, that is equals to 2 by 3. Now cross multiply. So if we'll do cross multiplication, so we got 3H is equals to 2R plus 2H. Now here we are having H, here we are having H. Shift this H other side. So 3H plus 2H will change to minus 2H, and that is equals to 2R. Now solve this. So we got H equals to 2R. As we want to find the height, ratio, radius. So I am shifting this R other side. So we will get H by R, means H is to R, that is 2. And if we are not having anything in denominator, so we can write it 1. It means H is to R is equals to 2:1. So we got the ratio of these two. So as usual, in front of you we are having one home assignment. Try to solve this.